In the previous video, we've discussed why writing high-quality content should be a key aspect of every SEO strategy. But how do you do that? In this video, I'll explain 3 elements high-quality and SEO-friendly content should have. At Yoast, we try to combat the notion that SEO is just a trick. SEO is so much more, and it should be a long-term strategy. We think you should focus on every aspect of website optimization, so you earn your place in Google's rankings. We call this holistic SEO. You simply have to be the best results. In a holistic SEO strategy, you focus on it all. A proper keyword research, a good technical SEO, a great user experience, solid social media strategy, mobile optimization, and, of course, writing high-quality content. Before you can start writing your content, it's important to find the right focus keywords, as we've discussed in a previous lesson. If you want to rank high in the search results, you'll have to figure out which words your audience searches for. These are the words that you should use in your text. If you've done your keyword research properly, it's time to write. High quality and SEO-friendly content has 3 demands. It should be original, it should be readable, and it should be findable. So let's take a closer look at those 3 demands. The first pillar of great content is to write original content. Nobody wants to read old news. The content of your articles and blog posts should be fresh and original. Try to keep in mind that original content doesn't necessarily mean new content. For example, giving your opinion on a certain topic or giving a structured overview of older information also counts as original content. The second element of high-quality content is that it should be readable. Your article should be easy to read. If your text is well structured and clearly written, people will understand the message of your text. Readability is also important for SEO. If your text is easy to read and has a clear structure, search engines are more likely to grasp the message of your post. That means you'll have a higher chance of ranking in the search results. Because it's such an important topic, we'll go into readability a bit more in a separate video. The final element of awesome content is to make sure your content is findable. Increasing the findability of your content means that you maximize the likelihood search engines pick up your content. You can increase the findability by making sure you use your focus keyword often enough and in the right places, such as the SEO title, subheadings, the first paragraph, and a meta description. Our Yoast SEO plugin can really help you to make your content findable. If you've written an article, you should take a look at the SEO analysis in the plugin, where you will find feedback on the findability of your text. But keep in mind, findability should never compromise the originality of your idea, nor the readability of your text.
Hey, you now know a lot more about attractive SEO copy. But let's be fair, good SEO copywriting is not achieved by watching a YouTube video alone. In our free SEO for Beginners training, you can take your first step towards becoming a good copywriter. When you complete the training, you'll also receive an official Yoast certificate of completion and a discount for our other training courses, including the SEO copywriting training course. Check out the full course in the description below.